The Big Bang is one of the most widely known and accepted theories in the scientific community. It was once believed that the universe was suddenly born and not infinite. This belief was held mostly without question until the 20th century, when Einstein's theory of relativity gave us a better understanding of gravity, and Edwin Hubble discovered that galaxies are moving apart from one another at an increasingly faster rate. But what really happened during the Big Bang? Let's find out.
The universe started at an extremely small point, then began expanding or inflating everywhere at once into itself. It wasn't an explosion, it was the expansion of all the matter in the universe, which is still happening today. This led to the quark era, where particles of matter only existed for extremely short periods of time. Quarks were created and dissolved, giving off energy in the process. At this point, the universe was so hot, matter and energy were basically the same. Shortly after this, natural laws, such as gravity and electromagnetic force, were created. Next, the cycle of quarks being born and converted into energy ended, and quarks began forming new particles, hadrons, like protons and neutrons.
By now, only 1 second has passed since the beginning of everything. The universe is now cold enough for most neutrons to decay into protons, and the first atom is formed, hydrogen. Right now, imagine the universe as a bowl of extremely hot atom soup, made up of particles and energy. Over the next few minutes, things cooled and settled down quickly. Hadrons and electrons formed more atoms, stabilizing the environment. This was also known as the Dark Age because there were no stars and the hydrogen gas wouldn't allow visible light to travel around. After millions of years, after the hydrogen gas clumped together and gravity put it under a huge amount of pressure, the first stars and galaxies were formed. These stars' radiation allowed light to spread to the universe, and their collapse formed new elements, and eventually led to the creation of other stars in our very own solar system.